Pencanggahan tu memang ada. Tetapi memang kita harus berfikir yang it's not about me or about him. It's about the movie. Apa yang terbaik untuk filem tu. Shooting wise memang kita berdua lah. Tapi dari segi maksudnya pre-production yang dengan Defenders memang Abi handle. So memang dia telah memberikan jiwa raga dia untuk filem ni.
I think the reason why me and Syafiq we work well together is because Syafiq pun sanggup buat apa saja untuk dia punya vision and all that, and I think that's why we see a lot of things on the same page. And actually, bila we were doing the design of the fights, design of the story, the design of the script, at least 2 times a week, we would always sit down and we talk scene by scene, dialogue per dialogue, moment by moment. Everything is discussed between me and Syafiq. Dia bukan
editing Sharif.
Masa dia tengah edit
Sharif masuk ada.
Yeah. So I'd spend like a week writing something. Then lepas tu I come and talk to Syafiq. Okay, I did about 15 pages here. Let's go through one by one. We'll read it out loud. Satu persatu. Everything we go through together so that kita tak masuk set or prep tanpa being on the same page in terms of vision. Kalau tak, when you meet all the HODs, dia cakap lain, I cakap lain. Habislah budget.
Itu yang penting lah. Sebelum apa-apa sebenarnya kena align dulu lah.
Align
Kalau
tu.
tidak nanti orang bawah mesti macam mana satu nak ikut ni.
My HODs have a word for me. I say Mr. Alignment. I always align with him, and then I always tell my HODs, please align with yourselves, because kalau you tak communicate, and then he does A, and then that guy does B, habis lah. Semua rosak. So in terms of the question of 2 directors and how we work together, I think it's about being of the same mind also lah. Pecangan tu is only at the early stage.
Yeah.
But once you're on set,
Once the script tu dah lock, sebenarnya it's about macam mana nak buat dia kempak, macam mana nak buat dia bagus.
Exactly. So bila kita dah sampai set, kita dah in sync dah. When you talk to actors, especially people like Shahnaz Ahmad, Syafiq Kyle, these are seasoned, champions of the industry. You can't go Syafiq cakap satu, I cakap satu, Shahnaz akan lempang muka kau. So we have to be on the same page, If not, our actors lose trust, Seriously, bro.
Macam ada orang-orang hampir
Kadang-kadang pun selalu macam kadang-kadang dah okey ke belum? Dah 11 take ni kan? Kadang aku cakap okey kot. Habis cakap one more, Sana datang, mana satu Mana satu? Dia dah macam penat ni.